We are ready to go. I hope there's caves. I'll see you on the trail. Let's go.
Is it this big with the rocks and waterfalls?
Yeah.
This way it is.
What's happening? We are at the Gorge MetroPark in Akron, Cuyahoga Falls area. If you listen, you can hear the water going over the dam. They're getting rid of that here in the next few years, so we wanted to come check it out.
That was hard. No. I don't think if you guys can see, but it's right there. The river. And my dad is coming.
What's up, boys?
It's really awesome.
Look at Mom. He's just so cool. Hey guys.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Can we? Nothing in
Yeah, you can touch that.
Yeah, guys, I forgot.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you can run.
Not safe.
So the dam behind me is scheduled to be taken down in the next 3 years. And even underneath the dam is a natural waterfall. So kind of excited to see that happen in the next few years here.